Peace FM 104.3. Wutumi Take.
Wadara the what's electoral commission adwuma no ase sei yente ho ase a aba amanyofo no we ka to ha na we aka to ha we ka to ha ene se apamfo mo ho sei mo ne ye bi kire se munya mo be wia be ma na mo be ma kwan abeda abato no mu na obi de atake advantage abato nwa mu na ma kan simple rigging wo the system no wonim pa atimu pa eno no muyim ho ano sei.
Yo, so okay, abattoir akosu from Abia before 1992 up to 2016 edebe na obetumi aka afa se Abia obetumi afa okwandi so e de arege what elections say the ebetumi achirechire mu ni say yemfa the electoral process no itself na commission over the years no I take so many measures to make the whole process transparent into the entry process. One, even offer registration. And sana even yebeshe registration as a crampono yebo political parties ni nyina amane. Nkrofo a yebefa wo ma omo be registration no. Emra no ma ho kwan say yemfa obudimpo emma political parties na so wo obi ho asem a watro e de ama political party abre commission na ya hwehwemu na yi nipa kuneti every registration center bia political parties no ho kwan some the agents ebe ko nti yemfa registration no ensi an even ya register ewiempo no and I say in the course of the registration no say obi ko register na say wo ho asembia ye obi bia ye friend no district registration review committee. And even on the district registration review committee no grano, your political party reps there was a committee also. And no more dealing with what challenges. If we are deduplication at the data center Hokrana, Oma aye double registration near any political party in our town Abia applicant and any intention to register and any fault, and I say any fault. Obi o habun se no asesa na tade obi o ani head oni ade ni nyina any political parties na Asia near go through exhibition the same thing all the exhibition what centers agents yenhwe even proud to the election system when we are going to print ballots ye kwako print ballots ye truck of political parties no and mom the reps echo all the printing houses ye the printing houses now ye san truck police for ye san truck BNI. Into all these people are there. You print ballot ni we are. Answer ni ebe bag no. So yeah the seals no numbers no ema political parties. Omo fast seals no numbers. Even Emrano Crop Churches say omo ho kwa kra omo betimi de omo seals aye de ben aka ho. Into political parties ni be omo de omo seals here de ben. E seal ballot no. Na one ka kire omo reps na wo constituency no. Say ballots no eba. These are the seal numbers. Into omo do wa no wa check it. Omo check here. Now see a breaky seal now, then they can raise something. Apart from that, near the ballot statistics now we say, sir, a police station, your number of ballots. Yeah, the ballot statistics number political party as a mom a copy of the provisional what register. And on the day of the election also, yeah, mom day agents eba. It is the whole process now. It is so transparent. Say, at every point in time, no, your party reps, even on election day, your international observers, your local observers, or more observer, okwaya, your faswa, your day, etwaban. And she say, Obika say to me, reggae, electioner, ayana, day, because me, okwankwa, ubet me, a faso. Now, moreover, no prayer, because even, at the polling station, how can you tell, say, nipe yo hey young officials you crab belong to this party and I say the other party unless it is any Dr. Bosman raise alien put me a bribe all the officials a bribe all the agents and son of which me I say already election. Moreover, even the results Navy police station but the constituency collating they have copies of the results at the collation center. We give them copies of the collated results and send a fax a resource na head office. The chairperson of the Electoral Commission, she is even the last person who the election results. That's from the polling station. Basically, rigging I doubt. Looking at what the commission has actually put in place.
Mira, Tata Oba Homeka Krama, Dr. Meba.